Cozy efficiency with separate bedroom, completely remodeled and well-maintained old Spanish building. All utilities are included: water, electric, outside maintenance, garbage collection, all included in the rent. New floors, new split AC, new appliances, windows, bathroom, cabinetry, etc. 1 block south of Calle Ocho and a few feet west of Southwest 17th Ave in the well-sought-after area of Shenandoah. Parking in the property for 1 car is included. No laundry. Access to barbecue and common area next to property. 1 occupant preferred. Rapid approval, no association approval required. RentSpree reports must accompany all offers.